Another useful tool for converting dates that Excel is not seeing as a proper date to be recognizable by Excel is under Data and the Text to Columns item, but not in the traditional way that most people expect. So just to show you some examples, here I've got dates. On this machine we expect it to go day, month, year, and as you can see this is month, day, year. If I try and format it, you'll see that Excel is not treating this as a valid date. What we can do is we can highlight it, go to text to columns. Now normally you'd worry about this, but we're just going to skip these first two, and this is the feature we're looking for. You'll see we're going to tell Excel that what we've given it is a date, so we click here, and then what we have here is the option to tell Excel not what we want to see, but what have you given Excel. So at the moment you can see that we seem to have given it month, day, year. So I'm going to look here for MDY, standing for month, day, year, and watch what happens when we click finish. It immediately converts it, and let's see now. Notice that it is now a valid Excel date, which is possible to be formatted. What about this date? So you can see it's a straight number, and I can clearly see that it seems to be the 1st of September 2011. But if I go try and format it as a date, notice I get a very strange, what looks like a very big date. The reason for this is that Excel works on the number of days from the 1st of January 1900, and as this is a number, it's a very big number in the 20 millions, Excel is working out what date is 20 million days from the 1st of January 1900. But that's not what we mean. We want Excel to split it by 1st of September 2011. So we can highlight it, we go text to columns, we can ignore the first two, we tell it it's a date, we then look here and it looks like it's year, month, day, which is currently what it's set at, year, month, day. When I click finish, it immediately converts it. Similarly here, we've got a slightly different situation, so it looks like it's the 13th of December 2010. We highlight it, text to columns, ignore the first two, tell it it's a date, and now it looks like it's day, month, year. There's DMY, day, month, year. When I click finish, it immediately converts it. Here's a popular one, especially with SAP. So you seem to have the date, but there's full stops in between. You can highlight it, text to columns, ignore the first two, tell it it's a date. It looks like it's year, month, day, year, month, day. When I say finish, it automatically converts it.